Hello everyone. Today we are going to study chapter 9th, motion. So from our day-to-day life we might have experienced many examples of motion like birds fly, fish swim, athletes run, vehicles move. These all are examples of motion that we know at this stage. Okay. So by this we have a basic understanding of motion. Now we are going to understand in this chapter what basically motion is. Have you ever wondered why the day and night takes place? Yeah, this is also because our planet Earth rotates around the sun, or we can say our planet does the motion around the sun. Okay, so from our day-to-day life to the very macroscopic phenomena, they all depend on the motion. Yeah, motion is very much important thing. Okay, so now let's understand what is the definition of motion. Motion is nothing but the movement of any object from one position to another position with respect to time. Okay, motion is the movement of any object with respect to time. Now what does it mean with respect to time? With respect means an object should change its position with the passage of time. Let's understand it within very simple example. Suppose this is the object and this is the point A. Okay, an object is at point A. We have a stopwatch. Right now it is set at t is equals to 0, time is equals to 0. Now this object start moving in this direction, and after 10 seconds we have found that the object have reached to the point B. Okay, so in these 10 seconds the object have changed its position from A to point B. Okay, so the object have changed its position in 10 seconds. So the line that I have said with respect to time means the object should change its position with the passage of time. Okay, so this is very much important thing, very much necessary thing for any motion to happen. That is, the motion should takes place, or the object should change its position with the passage of time. Let's understand this with very another example. Suppose this right now it is 6 p.m. and you are sitting at your home. You have told your mom that I am going to the playground. Okay, and then at 6:30 you finally reached to the playground. Okay, so from 6 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. in the time period of 30 minutes your position changes from your home to the playground. So this is considered to be the motion, or we can say you are considered to be in the motion in the time frame of 6 to 6:30. Okay, so I hope till now you have understood what the motion is. Now we are going to understand the very next very much important thing, that is the reference point. To define the position of any object which is in the motion. Okay, as I have given you the example that you have started your journey from your home to the playground. Suppose at 6:15 your mom calls you that where are you? You say that mom, I am 2 kilometers from our home. I have reached 2 kilometers away. So you are telling your position with respect to your home. You're telling your mom that I am 2 kilometers away from our home. So in this case your home is the reference point. Okay, to define the position of any object we need a reference point. A reference point should be that point which is known to you also, which is known to your mom also. Only then she can understand. Okay, so till now we have understood two very much important things. One is what a motion is. Next, what is the reference point, which is very much important to define any motion. Now, as there are mainly four types of motion, like linear motion, which is also known as motion in straight line. Second is circular motion. Third is rotational motion. And fourth one is oscillatory motion. But in this chapter, we will only study first with the motion in straight line, and at the end we will study a little bit about circular motion. So what is the motion in straight line? Very simple. If any object travel in straight line, then it is considered to be a straight line motion. For example, when you are riding bicycle on the straight road, then you are doing a straight line motion. You might have seen the trains, they travel in the straight line, that is the straight line motion. So these are the example of straight line motion. Now the circular motion. What is a circular motion? You might have seen the athletes which runs in a circular path on the track. The circular path, this is known as the circular motion. If you are running on a track and after starting from this point A, you completed a circle and again reach back to the same position, then you have completed a circular motion. So this is the circular motion. Okay, thank you.